In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop Trello email notifications. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now let's get started with stopping those pesky email notifications from Trello. First things first, you'll want to log into your Trello account. Open your web browser, type in Trello.com, and sign in using your credentials. Once you've signed in, you'll land right on your main board's page. Next, let's access your profile. On the left side of the screen, there's a settings icon. Go ahead and click on that to find the options available for your account. This is where you can personalize your notifications and other preferences to suit your needs. Now, from the drop-down menu that appears, click on the Settings option. This will take you to a menu dedicated to your account preferences. Here you can manage everything from your display settings to email notifications. Once you're in the settings, it's time to locate the section specifically for email notifications. Scroll through until you find the area that outlines how often you want to receive emails related to your Trello activities. In this section, you'll see a drop-down menu labeled Notification Frequency. Click on this drop-down and you'll find several options to choose from. What you want to do here is select Never. By doing so, you'll effectively stop any email summaries or activity updates from flooding your inbox. Now, here's something reassuring. This setting typically saves automatically, so once you see that Never option displayed in the drop-down, know that you're all set. No more email notifications from Trello will be interrupting your day. If you feel you've made a mistake or want to change your preferences in the future, you can always follow the same steps to re-enable email notifications or adjust the frequency according to your needs. And that's it. Stopping those email notifications is a quick and straightforward process that can help keep your inbox clear and more manageable. Whether you're trying to focus on work or just minimize distractions, controlling your notifications is a great step forward. Thanks for tuning in to today's video on how to stop Trello email notifications. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like it and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Your support means a lot to us, and we love being part of your productivity journey. That's all for now, and I hope this helps you streamline your Trello experience. Have a wonderful day, and see you in the next video.